Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Braves Diva Free Agent and 5-tool player. I'm going to water marble. I've started off with IMK PLEs and here is Braves Diva Free Agent. And I'm going to use that as my base color. I always like to use a lighter colored base color or the lightest color in the polishes I'm using in the water marble as my base. I'm going to cap my little free edge there. Been a really long time since I got to water marble, so I'm super excited. Now I could have just left it at one coat because I am water marbling over this, but I was playing, so I just went ahead and did it again. 2 coats, beautiful. So I'm going to top it with the Pro FX, the quick dry top coat. I'm going to get this one to dry all the way down before I do any more playing. I've applied this Beauty Big Bang liquid latex on all of my fingers. We're going to do the last one together. I'm kind of dabbing it on. Latex, you know, it'll get kind of clumpy on the brush or whatever, and then it just starts kind of poking holes and stuff you've already painted over. So this little dabbing method here has been working for me. I normally don't show this because I figure, you know, a lot of you already know how to do this. See, I was able to get away with some brushing, but now it's just trying to start picking at it. Trying to pull it up, and that's defeating my purpose here. I do really like this liquid latex from Beauty Big Bang, though. It stinks just like all the liquid latexes do, but it comes off really easy. So here's the 5-tool player, and you already seen the free agent. I put 1 drop in, and then I ran my toothpick around the cup to make it spread all the way to the edge. And then I'm going to go in and just build my bullseye 1 drop at a time. So I am going to show you me doing more than 1 nail today. This is the more slowed down clip. On some of the other ones I get faster and faster and faster as far as the speed of the video. It just seems to make sense. Now, Braves Diva polishes are like magical for water marbling. You've got plenty of time to work with your design, and that's really nice. And they spread out nice and even, and they're just, I love them. Love them. You've heard me say this before if you've watched my channel for any time and seen me water marbling. Her creams are just perfect for this. So I went top to bottom, and then I'm kind of going in from either side. And I don't go all the way to the outer edge of the cup. I don't need that much room. And now I'm going to kind of drag it and make it look swirly. Just a little bit swirly there on the edge. And here we go. We got a spot and dip in. I do pinch the cup between my thumb and my finger to do the cleanup so I don't end up spilling it. A little trick I've learned. I do have a great big air bubble there. Pop it and then dip back down in. And there we go. Beautiful. It turned out perfect. I do have one that doesn't turn out perfect. We're just going to call that one my accent nail. You'll see it when we get to it. You won't be able to miss it. It's like a train wreck. It looks nothing like the other ones. But this is the nature of water marbling. You just have to tell people when you do that, I meant to do that. They don't know. If they don't water marble, they don't know. And even if they do water marble, then they understand and they know. So it's all good, right? So I am just dragging that back and forth, dipping down. I do kind of go in from the outsides and then dip down in the middle to kind of make them attached to each other. I guess that's the best way to describe it. Dip, dip. But I adore water marbling, and I want to do it more often. So here we go with another one. Dip. And I am again pinching that cup between my thumb and my finger to hold that still, and so I don't lose anything or knock anything over. Got a bubble on the side. Just popped it with the toothpick. And that one turned out beautiful as well. Another tip I like to share is running a toothpick or woody around the edge of it to break the seal. I have pulled polish up off the nail before. And then today I'm using some little scissors to cut the latex down the middle before I pull it off. And we're going to do this again. I love watching water marbles. I love watching other people water marble because it fascinates me. This is the reason why I got into nail art, period. I saw somebody doing this and made it my mission to learn how to do it. And then it led to stamping and gradients and all sorts of crazy stuff. But water marbling is what hook, line, and sinkered me. And this one isn't a hard design to do, especially if you've got polishes that work well. You know, just going from side to side. And you can make those little petals fatter, thinner, whatever works for you. You can see mine's getting a little wonky. And you see I'm going to use it anyway. I'll just go ahead and do it. Now the placement on this one doesn't end up just right. I end up with a big line of the blue on that kind of outer ring. So I kind of just didn't line it up very well. So this is my accent nail. The little train wreck. You'll see it in the swatch photo. But it's okay, because I still water marbled it. And I loved this manicure. I really enjoyed wearing it. It was appropriate colors for the season, I think. You know, that light gray and that blue. And, you know, kind of like Winter Wonderland colors. But done up with like a tidal wave design, I guess. I don't even know what you would call this design. I've used it before. I learned it from Trish from over at Artisan Nail Loom or Artisan Loom, or I can't remember. I can't ever remember the names of people's channels. All I know is I've got them in my favorites and I go to them and watch them all the time. I'll leave a link to her channel down below. She is amazing. That one on the pinky turned out just perfect too. I loved it. I am going to get this a little bit cleaned up with the acetone that, you know, because I went way past my latex barrier. And I'm going to do my cleanup around my cuticle area and my sidewalls. There isn't much to clean up. I was pretty happy with that. And look at that. And that's the one that didn't even turn out right, and I still love it. So it's I've been dying to do some water marbling. And as soon as I got these two polishes in that last haul from Braids Diva, I knew that I was going to water marble these two together. So now that we're all cleaned up, we're going to top this one with the Fast and Hard from Vibrant Vinyls and seal this water marble in. I'm in love. So I do have my Mani in Motion footage coming up and a swatch photo. I would love to hear from you. I would love to hear what you think about my Mani. I always love hearing from you. So that is my manicure today. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.